So Bitcoin is doing well in terms of price action. It consolidates and then it makes steady movements to the upside. So we're looking at good gains. Millionaires are being made every day.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of 2 Crypto News. Today, we're going to be going over some daily crypto news, market cap, and also some other things that we found interesting in the market. But first, please make sure that you are commenting, and subscribing to stay up to date with 2 Crypto News' most latest information. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do today is talk about cryptocurrencies' overall market cap. So as of right now, the global market cap is at a 2.76 trillion, which is up 2.35% increase over the past day, which is great. Now let's hop into Bitcoin and see what we have going on for today.
Bitcoin is currently trading at close to $73,000 and it's up 1.14%. So Bitcoin is doing well in terms of price action. It consolidates and then it makes steady movements to the upside. So we're looking at good gains. Millionaires are being made every day.
Absolutely. And I did want to kind of mention the fact that we did hit another all-time high today of 73,637, probably around like 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. I was up for some reason watching the chart, but we did hit the 73,637 mark and 47 cents, which is also good. We keep making new higher highs, which is always good. And lets us know that we are still in it for the long haul as far as this bull run is concerned. So next we're going to go over the crypto bubbles, which we're going to basically see a lot of the different movements that's going on today as far as crypto is concerned. As you can see, we do have a lot of big green bubbles. As you can see, the way that this works is the darker the green, the more it's up. So as you can see, Algo, we're up 14% on Algorand, INJ 10%, AVAX 12. It does look like the market is recovering from yesterday. Yesterday, we did have a pretty red day. There's still some things here, Doge, XRP, KAS sheet that are trying to recover. AJIX, this is another one of our favorites. But it does look like today overall is a pretty good day as far as crypto is concerned. And I'm hoping to see that these numbers go up as the day moves on. All right, so Bitcoin's explosive adoption unleashes a new wave of whales. We knew that this was going to happen, people. We knew that as soon as a couple of things have taken place, that the whales were going to start falling into place. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, there's a lot of institutional money that we're waiting to get our hands on, but due to Bitcoin's ETF, as you can see here, it has undoubtedly contributed to this phenomenon. There has been a lot of Bitcoin purchase in order to fund these ETF programs, and I do believe that there's going to be some more money following into the cryptocurrency industry as things like mass adoption takes place and new whales are generated. Like we said earlier, as Bitcoin and as all these other altcoins go up, there's millionaires created every day. So who knows, maybe next bull cycle we'll have some other whales that are trying to get their hands on big bags, which is what the name of the game is pretty much.
So we're moving on to partnerships and investing. As you see here, Stellar holders are investing in a new streaming platform called DeeStream, which is geared up to do a 50x over time. Investors like Stella that chooses to invest in DeeStream can get a 50-50 revenue split. So that's great incentive for investors to come and to be a part of the DeeStream platform, which is slated again, like I said, to do like a 50x growth. And what DeeStream is a decentralized streaming platform that allows better interaction between their fans and the streamers. It's built to combat the limitations of centralized streaming platforms. Some platforms struggle with transparency and revenue generation, censorship, and third-party monetization apps. And with DeeStream, you won't have to worry about any of those issues. So DeeStream is in its pre-sale at this time. And what I like about this particular platform and project is that it only has 300 million in its circulating supply. So it can gain in value quite quickly with the adoption of this platform. So that's something that I really like about DeeStream.
So let's get into some more news. El Salvador is sitting on $84 million profit from its Bitcoin holdings. As we know, the president of El Salvador has been investing in Bitcoin for a while now. I believe that he bought a Bitcoin a day during the bear market. And as of right now, he has the $84 million profit. So we're not talking about the amount of money that we put in. We're talking about the amount of profit that El Salvador alone has benefited from investing in Bitcoin. So a lot of people, there was a lot of naysayers when it came to Bitcoin and El Salvador adopting it as a currency, but Bitcoin's 250% rise over the past year has capitulated the Central American nation's Bitcoin treasury to over $206 million as of Tuesday. So that is a huge Bitcoin holding. As you can see, they have 2,681 Bitcoin. One could wish that I had that much, but at the end of the day, they are a country with access to a lot of funds. So their average cost of their Bitcoin is $42,600. So as long as they're staying over this $42,600 range per coin, then they are in profit of about 84 million to date. So more to come out of El Salvador. I really do believe that once Bitcoin does hit those all-time highs of like 100,000 plus dollars, we will be able to see some great things going on in El Salvador. It could be one of those places that has a lot of tourism due to them being able to invest into their infrastructure and stuff like that with the amount of wealth that they should be able to generate for the state.
Right, and I'm so glad that they're in profit right now because El Salvador caught a lot of flack as it pertains to them investing in Bitcoin. So kudos to them for staying the course and getting this bag, right? So I'm so excited.
All right, and last but not least, we are going to go over the 5 countries with the highest cryptocurrency adoption. As we do know, mass adoption does propel cryptocurrency in the direction that we all want it to go so that our bags can increase and grow over time. And these are the 5 countries with the highest cryptocurrency adoption that is paving the way for our pack bags to grow even bigger.
Number 5 is Vietnam, and out of the 98 million in population, 20 million own cryptocurrency. Number 4 is Brazil, and out of the 216 million people, 25 million people own cryptocurrency. Number 3 is the United States, and out of the 339 million people, 52 million people own cryptocurrency. China, out of the 1.4 billion people, 59 million people own cryptocurrency. And number 1 on the list, no surprise, is India. And out of the 1.4 billion people, 93 million people own cryptocurrency. That's almost the whole country. This
it really
great.
is. It really is. So as you can see, not everybody has invested in cryptocurrency, but a lot of people has joined the wave of investing in cryptocurrency. So as we go further and further and people start understanding the utility of cryptocurrency, more and more people will start to adopt, which will in turn grow our bags, which is ultimately what I would want personally.
Let's make it a green day.
Let's make it a green day. Okay, people. So we really do appreciate you guys tuning in. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you can stay tuned to all the latest crypto news information. And without further ado, we are out. Peace.